So let's talk about one-stop shop. Right, so what are the benefits, pros and cons against it? So for example, when we are selling in Europe, now you've either got two choices, right? You can either get a VAT number in that country, or you can go through the one-stop shop. So if you want to get a VAT number in the countries, well, that's all well and good, because then you can go in the pan-EU with Amazon, and that's a lot of benefits to that. You get cheaper rates cross-border when they're sending products from Germany to France, for example, UK to Germany. It's better, but you need at least 7 VAT numbers. Now, you've got to register in all those countries, and you've got to file for VAT in all of those countries, which is a bit of a pain in the arse, to be honest. So the other option you've got is that you can use the one-stop shop. Now, if you're storing in a country, you have to register for VAT in that country. Just be aware of that. We almost come a crop over that when we first started selling in all the other countries. So we actually stored in the countries, and then we realized we had to register for VAT. Luckily, Amazon were giving an offer, and it was like €3,500, I think they paid to register for VAT in all of those countries. Let's get back to the one-stop shop. Now, for example, most of you guys are selling in the UK, and that's your marketplace. That's your only marketplace you buy and you sell in. Now, you've got the opportunity to sell all across Europe. As long as you don't store in a country, you can do it under one-stop shop. So if you do that, and it's one-stop shop UK, right? That's the only difference. And then you then have to basically settle up for the VAT in the UK. So all the VAT you should pay in those other countries, you have to settle up at the end of the year in the UK. So it's a pretty cool system to do it. Now, you obviously got to have an accountant that's going to be able to cope with that, and they understand it, because it does get pretty complicated. And so you need to be basically on top of it from the beginning. You don't want to be in a position where you are running around trying to fix things after, because HMRC or the taxman or wherever you are, they're not going to appreciate that, and basically they just want their money. So yeah, make sure you're doing it right. But there's so many benefits from doing that, because you can sell from the UK, you're storing in the UK, and you can sell it, for example, in Spain, Germany, France, Italy. I mean, there's loads of marketplaces now, right? We sell in 9 marketplaces. So, and plus all the other countries that come, selling in Norway, for example, you can sell to someone in Norway, and that product comes from maybe Germany, but it comes under a one-stop shop. So yeah, it does get a bit complicated, but once you start to break it down, then the opportunities for you in the UK could be massive, right? Because UK market's big, but Germany's also huge, right? And then you've got all these other marketplaces as well. So think about it, check it out. If you've got any other questions, leave a comment down there, and also give us a like. Show a brother some love, give us a like. See you in the next one.